Hello, and welcome to another episode of In Just 1 Minute or So. Today, we're talking about 5 steps to successful end user adoption. So, what we're talking about is the best practices, the 5 best practices to ensure that there is success for you, your users, and the whole organization. So, the first best practice is to get an executive champion. And you mean by somebody that is key to getting the buy in. People look to your leadership for direction, which is why it's important to not only have your executive support for your new technology or whatever you're implementing, but it's important to leverage this executive support at the launch by having them send rollout communications and have them record a video to include this technology anyways. Another best practice is to form a cross-functional project team. That is, the needs across different departments in an organization can vary, and each may realize different benefits from adopting this technology or this solution. Best practice number 3, build an awareness campaign that gets everybody excited. A good communication plan includes a variety of promotional tactics for both informing and generating excitement. Also, keep in mind that you have 2 groups to consider in your plan: your project team and your end users. So your plan for your project team should include the rollout progress, the milestones and actions, and acknowledge the difficulties and the setbacks. For your end users plan, that one should include a cadence of emails from leadership that builds awareness and excitement about your upcoming rollout. In addition to email, it's important to use additional tactics to keep your users interested and eager for your launch. Fun examples include posting signage in high-traffic locations, creating a video to loop on a screen by the elevators or in the cafe area or the kitchen, creating a countdown to launch in your internet homepage, for instance, or hosting a preview party to encourage excitement, showcase upcoming trainings, introduce your project team, etc. Practice 4. Make training role-specific and fun. Center every session around how and why this new tool paves the way for users to succeed in their particular duties. Your end users want to know not just how to use this tool, but also why. What is the benefit of using it at all? Make sure this is loud and clear in your trainings. Too often, trainings are created with a one-size-fits-all mentality, and they fail for that reason. When working with your training team, encourage them to train to the roles or departments of your users. And because you have secured executive sponsorship for your launch, utilize their support when building out your training sessions. Consider asking for funding to host interactive sessions such as lunch and learns, snack and trivia, and or incentive programs in which employees earn rewards for active use of the tool. Finally, make sure that all training materials are easily accessible and repeated often. And the final practice, number 5, ask for feedback. It's important to build a feedback loop into your plan, so seeking candid feedback about the experiences shortly after the development is a great way to identify people who may not have been properly trained. It also will show them that their concerns are valued and will keep them engaged in the adoption process. Alright, and that's all for today. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next episode.